Why choose carry-on only?
Traveling with just a carry-on frees you from checked bag fees, lost luggage risks, and long waits at baggage claim. You move faster through airports, can switch plans on a whim, and avoid overpacking. Embracing minimalism for your trips helps you focus on experiences, not excess stuff. Carry-on only travel is liberating. Once you try it, you may never look back.
Selecting the right bag.
Choose a carry-on that meets airline size limits, is lightweight, and easy to organize. Opt for a soft-sided or expandable bag if flexibility matters to you. Good internal pockets and sturdy zippers make packing easier. Rolling suitcases are classic, but backpacks can be more versatile for certain trips. Comfort, accessibility, and durability are key to making your carry-on work hard for you.
Clothing essentials, the minimalist wardrobe.
Pack versatile basics in neutral colors, layering pieces, and a mix of quick-dry fabrics. Stick to a rule like 1 week's worth of outfits, which usually means a few shirts, 2 bottoms, underwear, socks, 1 sweater, and 1 pair of shoes. Wear your bulkiest items while traveling. Remember, you can wash clothes on the road. This expands your options without weighing down your bag.
Smart packing techniques.
Use packing cubes, compression bags, or rolling your clothes to maximize space and stay organized. Place heavier items at the bottom and keep toiletries accessible for security checks. Minimize liquids. Use solid toiletries and refillable containers. Limit electronics to essentials. Stash chargers, documents, and valuables in one spot for easy access. These tricks save space, reduce stress, and make unpacking a breeze.
Must-have travel essentials.
Don't forget your travel documents, a refillable water bottle, basic toiletries, medications, and a lightweight day bag. Bring an international outlet adapter if needed. A compact laundry kit and a reusable shopping bag often come in handy. Earplugs, a sleep mask, and a small first aid kit add comfort and security. Prioritize multi-purpose items. Every piece in your carry-on should earn its keep.
Adapting on the road. Keep it simple.
Embrace doing laundry while traveling, and buy small necessities as you go. You may not anticipate every need, but remember, most things can be purchased or borrowed at your destination. Focus on experiences, not possessions. Traveling with just a carry-on encourages flexibility, lightness, and an adventurous spirit, making your journey smoother and more enjoyable.